This is a review of the Racerstar 36500 brushless motor combo, which comes with a 60 amp ESC and a motor which is rated at 2050 kV. Now this combo suits a 1/10th RC scale or a truck, and I ordered this to upgrade my 1/10 scale buggy which came in with a 550 brushed motor. Now in the box, let's see what we have. So let me go ahead and open this. So first we have this user manual, and I think it does have a programming instruction as well. And next we have ESC. And lastly we have the motor itself. Overall it's looking very good, and the build quality is fine, and the outer case has got a black anodized finish. This has the ABEC 5 bearings, which is of very good quality, and it's suited for high RPMs. Now this weighs about 180 grams, and though the motor appears big in size on the video or photos, in reality, believe me, this is pretty much compact. Now this is a 4-pole 12-slot motor by design, and features high torque and silent operation. The shaft diameter is about 3.17 millimeters and extends for about 15 millimeters. Now it comes with the 4-meter banana connectors right here, and this can be easily connected to the ESC. Now talking about the ESC, this is rated at 60 amps and it's compatible with the brushless motor. It has got a heat sink and a fan on the top for dissipating the heat and to keep the temperatures cool. The fan does always spin irrespective of the temperature of the AC, but it does produce a bit noise, but it's not very high though. The ESC comes with a small power switch here to trigger the circuit, and also it has an external capacitor here for noise reduction. This is a sensorless motor, and it also happens to be waterproof. Now having said that, I would not recommend you to drive this car in water, but a couple of splashes around the corner should not harm this ESC. So this ESC supports 2 or 3 cell LiPo battery and 4 to 9 cell nickel metal hydride battery. It's got this 5.8 volt BEC out, and it's rated at 3 amps, which is at switch mode. You can use this BEC out for powering your receiver or to turn on your LED lights of your truck or the car. Now the input power connector is a Dean style XT plug. Now this ESC comes with a couple of features such as low voltage cutoff protection, overheat protection, throttle, signal loss protection, and motor blocked protection. Now this ESC can be programmed easily with an LED program card, and this manual has all the instructions on how you can program. It also features settings for low cutoff voltage, start modes, the max brake force and max reverse force, and neutral range settings. Now having said this, let's look at the motor in action. So I will use a 3S LiPo battery and a servo tester for powering this motor, and I'll also use a small shaft coupler here, and I have put a small wire inside here so that you can see the spinning of the shaft. So let me go ahead and hook up all these parts together. So first I'll just put on this coupler into the shaft. Next I'll connect the servo tester to the out terminal here. So next I'll be connecting the power to the ESC. Okay, now everything is hooked up, so I'll go ahead and turn on the switch on the ESC. Now you can see the ESC's fan spinning at full speed. So as I mentioned earlier, there is no temperature control, so the fan will continue to run at high speed irrespective of the temperature. So let me go ahead and turn on the throttle on the servo tester. So as you can see, this motor has a very good torque, and I think it should provide a very good acceleration. It's really pulling my hands when I just give the throttle. and you can even see the brake force. So as soon as I cut down the throttle, you can really see the motor coming to a very hard stop. So this is a motor running at full power and brakes. So let me go ahead and switch off the power. So that's all guys. I believe this video was helpful to you. So please do subscribe and like my videos if it helped you, and thanks for watching and have a good day.